All right, so we have news coming out in literally 20 seconds now. So we'll wait for that news to drop and then we will see what the news does to the markets. So news just dropped. Clearly we got exactly what we wanted to see. Price dropping down. Let's see what happens here. We're going to want to keep going up, or are we going to... What are we going to do? We're going to take out the lows. If we can take out the lows, then I'm looking for long positions. So came out bullish for the dollar, which means that Euro USD should be bearish. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. Just looking at this right now, if we can close below this, I may take a stab off of this order block here, and then we can target obviously 1 to 2. I don't know if I'm gonna keep. I might move the stop a bit higher to like top of this fair value gap, and then the stop, take profit can be 1 to 2 down here. But we did take out the highs. We swept out all that liquidity, and now we're pushing down with the news. And we could easily come up, tap into the order block, and then push lower. And then even looking at the 15-minute, like, I can actually even bring it down to that. You know, drop it down like this. And target 1 to 2 there. Until we take out that low, I'm bearish. But that's only until we take out the low that I'll switch my bias. As soon as we take out that low, I'm obviously switching more to bullish. But with news pushing down, news created the order block. We easily could come back up and like sweep out more highs. So if I do trade this, I will be going low risk. I will not be doing full risk on this. Ideally, like I say, I'd like to see these lows taken out. And then I'm more than happy to take a trade to the upside. But we'll just see what price wants to do from here. If it wants to come back up to take out the order block and then push us lower, or if it wants to just continue going higher. SMT has just been made. This could reverse. This could come back up. Yeah. I still almost would rather go for longs because everything has swept the lows out. We have SMT on the dollar index. But if this is true SMT and price is going to respect that and it's going to keep going up, this should be a protected low. So that's my look at it right now. We'll see what price does. If I was on the 1 minute time frame, I would have probably, I'd be in this trade right here, and price is actually just rocketing from that. So this would be my 1 minute trade, which, like I said, I'm probably not going to be trading the 1 minute time frame anymore. Stop below the low, and then TP2. We'd already be at break even. Not bad. Not bad. Maybe I go back to the 1 minute. So basically, yeah, I'm just going to wait for a change of state and delivery to the upside. And once we get that, I'll enter. But Still got quite a bit of time until that happens, so do what we do best and sit around and wait. I don't think that we're gonna just drop down right away, and we have one more minute until the candle closes. So I'm setting a limit here, and we're just gonna wait and see what happens. Yeah, we could easily have more of a retracement. Alright, I just got tapped in. I'm now in this trade. See how she goes. This could easily come back up. Like, this could go lower. This could come up to here. And then keep going down. Same with this. Could keep going lower. So, this low should be a protected low. If it's not, I obviously don't want to be in this trade anymore. And I probably should have waited for the low to be swept before taking a trade to the upside. So, let's let this play out and see how she goes. I'm going to be honest, guys, with how price action is being right now, unless this takes us out here, what I'm going to do is just end this video right here, and then I'm going to come back to it once we either get stopped out or we start making moves higher, more to the upside. But as of right now, we're just sitting through kind of choppy action right now. So, yeah, we'll see how this goes. I'll let you guys know how the trade goes and what happens. Well, we might actually get stopped out now, so yeah, let's see. But yeah, I'm gonna come back on when we either A, get stopped out, B, hit TP1, or start making our way up to TP1. And then obviously I'll be on later on when we run up to TP2, if that does happen. So I will come back on once we get there. Alright guys, so I'm back on the charts now, and we did just get taken out. This is definitely a trade mistake on my end, and as much as I hate saying this, I do deserve this loss because I didn't follow my rules technically. I didn't see a sweep. I went off SMT, and I literally have nothing stated in my rules that I will follow SMT. So this is a mistake made on my end, and that is totally okay. I had a good feeling we were going to take out the low. This is the same, this is the exact same thing that has happened to me when I've traded Euro USD with the USDX and seen SMT. Is it might make a move up and slowly go up, and then it just runs out your stop. So from now on, I will no longer be trading SMT at all. I need a clear sweep, and I don't care about any other pairs. It's just Euro USD, so I'll be deleting USDX. I'll be deleting all of the other pairs off of my trading view, so I can't go and look at them. And I will only be following that rule with Euro USD. That's what I back tested. That's what I have results. That's what I have track records on. So if that's the case, why not follow those specific rules? So today would have been actually a no trade day. And if it would have been a trade day, I should have actually taken shorts like I originally stated. Knowing that the higher time frame is fairly bullish and the higher time frame is kind of on there, instead of taking that long there, I could have taken a short off of here. Because the reason why I state this would have been the trade of the day right here. The reason why I say this is because we took out London high, and that's like the first rule in my trading rules is, have we taken out the time-based liquidity? We did not take out the time-based liquidity to the downside. Why am I trading to the upside if we have not taken London low? So there's a mistake on my end right there. So from further on, no more trading like that. That is completely on my end and completely my fault. But that being said, this is the trade because we took out London high, we took out Asia high, and we took out previous New York session high. Alright, now we had this big push down with the news, and we never got an entry off of here. That was like my original entry. Never got that, but we came up and respected the news 5-minute fair value gap. So now that we've respected this news fair value gap, what does that tell me? Well, that tells me that we are respecting bearish order flow. Well, what's happened next? We come down, respect this bearish fair value gap. What's with that bearish fair value gap? Bearish order block. That should have been my entry there. As soon as I entered off of this, because I went off SMT instead of my original trading plan, I saw that we pushed below this and we changed state delivery to the downside. As soon as I saw that, I was pretty much done with this trade. I knew we were going to probably take a loss. So overall, L on the day, but we are learning, and I just learned like obviously a huge lesson onto, when you don't follow the proper trading plan, this is the exact thing that happens, is you'll take a loss. So overall, good day because we did learn. L on the day. We do have 2 decent trading days coming up where news is all just before the trading hour. So I'm hoping that we can get some clean price action on those days. And from now on, I'm only taking what my plan states. I have to check every one of those boxes off in order for me to take a trade. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And there will be definitely better trading days coming up into the future here. I know that for a fact. And we will be following our rules. I'm actually going to write up my trading rules on my whiteboard up here. So it's like, that's what I have to see in order for me to enter my trade. And I have them visually right in front of me. So I'm like, okay, well, I didn't see that. I'm not trading, right? This is what happens. It's all good. It's just a part of the journey. But anyways, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for future videos. And I will see you guys tomorrow.